Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update payment method on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to update or add payment method to your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and first you have to check for some settings to prevent any kind of issue. So you have to go ahead to your general section, and very first you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go to VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, you have to go to language and region option, select region, and select your own country or region in which you're living. After that, you have to go back and go to data name section, enable this toggle to set your data name automatically. Then go back and go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, you have to go back and open up App Store. Now you have to tap on your profile option in the top right. Then tap on Apple ID, and you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And then just select country or region option from here. If you have already added your payment method and you want to update that, so you can select manage payments, and you can delete your previous payment method from here. So after deleting your previous payment method, just select this country or region option, and then you have to select your own country or region in which you're living, or you can also try to reselect the country or region which you have just selected in your Apple ID settings. So let's say I'm going to select this one because I have also selected this. So just select this continue option here, and then tap on agree in the top right. Now on this screen you just have to add your payment method. So you can add your credit card, your debit card, your PayPal card, your mobile phone, or the service based on your location you have. Just add it here, then add your billing address, your phone number, and after all your name. And after this you can easily add or tap on done option in the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. If you're facing any kind of issue in this section, so you can contact the Apple Support team to get official help. So open your Apple Support app, select iPhone from here, and select this subscriptions and purchase it, and then select update payment method. Now just wait for the loading and then select get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.